Hello everyone. As you all know that the CBSE board has released a sample question paper for term 2 examinations which are to be held in this year in the month of March and April. So based on that sample paper, Goyal brothers Prakashan have released a set of 12 different books in various subjects. This is the book for English Core. The subject code is 301. Now let me tell you that this is basically the latest reduced and bifurcated syllabus, which is for the term 2 examinations. This book has chapter-wise summary and question bank. It has the CBSE Sample Question Paper, which is solved, and it also has 5 model test papers based on the latest sample paper released by the CBSE board. Now let me take you through the book and tell you how the book has been designed. To start with, we have the reduced syllabus for academic year 2021 and 22. If you see, the term 2 syllabus is given here. The reading part, reading comprehension, creative writing skills and literature part is all given here in the starting. After that, we have the contents section. In the contents, if you note, there are 3 different sections. Section A is the CBSE Sample Question Paper. Section B is the model test papers which are solved, and section C is the model test papers which are unsolved. Now let me tell you, these model test papers which are solved and unsolved are based strictly on the CBSE sample question paper which is released by the board. Right? Now let us see the sections individually. This is section A, which is the CBSE sample question paper solved, released by the CBSE board for this term's examination. So if you see, this is the solved paper. This is the reading section, section A. The answers are given along with the questions. This is all the reading section, right? After that, we have section B, the writing section. The answers are given along with the questions. This is all the writing section of the CBSE sample question paper. This is section C, which is the literature section, and as I have mentioned earlier, all the answers are provided along with the questions. So this is the CBSE sample question paper. Now here is the marking scheme. Now this is the marking scheme which is released by the CBSE board. So this is section A, reading, which is for 14 marks. You can see the value points and the guidance is provided here in both the parts. So this is all the reading part, section A. How you have to attempt the paper, what all kind of features you should keep in mind while attempting the paper, how much marks is given to what part, which section, it is all mentioned here in the marking scheme. So this is all the marking scheme for section A. After that, we have section B, which is the writing part. Again, the contents, expression, accuracy, the weightage for each point is mentioned here. How much weightage is given to the accuracy, to the expression, and how do you have to actually attempt the question, it is all mentioned here in the writing section. Alright, so this is all the writing section. This is all the writing section. The description for the expression and accuracy, see, you can see 1 mark is written in front of accuracy. So the description of accuracy and description of expression is all mentioned here in the marking scheme. After that, we have section C, which is the literature part. Again, the value points and guidance are mentioned. This is for 10 marks, 2 marks each. And there will be 5 questions. So you can go through these value points and guidance, and you can go through all this and understand how you have to attempt the question paper. So this is all the literature part, section C, right? You can see all the value points are given well in advance so that you know how you should attempt the paper. After that, we come to section B part of the book, which is the model test papers solved. Now, these model test papers are exactly based on the pattern of the CBSE sample question paper released by the board. So, this is a solved model test paper. This is paper number 1. We have similar kind of 10 papers in the book, right? So there are 10 model test papers. This is the model test paper number 1 along with the answers. Section A reading is here. The answers are provided here. This is all the reading part. Section B writing is given here. Again, the answers are provided along with the questions. This is all the writing part. Then we come to section C, which is the literature. Again, the answers are provided along with the questions. This is all the literature part. Alright. After this, we come to the section C of the book, which is the model test papers unsolved. Now, there are 5 unsolved model test papers exactly based on the pattern of the CBSE sample question paper. This is paper number 1. This is the unsolved paper. Section A reading is for 10 marks in the starting. Then we have section B, which is the writing part. And then we have section C again for 18 marks, which is the literature part, right? So this is all based on the sample paper. In the similar manner, there are 5 different unsolved model test papers for the practice of the students. So this is how the book has been planned. For samples, you can mail us at info@goyal-books.com. If you want to view the sample books, you can visit the website, which is www.goyal-books.com, and choose CBSE Term 2 MTP Class 12th. If you want to purchase these books, you can again go to the website, which is www.goyal-books.com. Thank you so much.
Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows 3-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tuesday and avail your courses at affordable prices.